Closed Excel without saving? Or Excel crashed and your file is gone? Don't panic. You can still recover it. First, open Excel. Click File. Then go to Open. At the bottom, click Recover Unsaved Workbooks. A folder opens with temporary files. Select your file. And click Open. Now immediately click Save As. And save it somewhere safe. If nothing appears, go to File option Save. And check the Auto Recover file location. Copy that path, paste it into File Explorer, and open it manually. You might find your file there with a random name. Just open it and save it normally. This works even after crashes, power cuts, or accidental closing.